Grandma? Is that you? Oh my god! Oh my god, don't shoot, don't shoot! I wanna live! Hi YouTube! Today we will see if it is a smart idea to take cover behind your refrigerator when an intruder came to your house with a gun. Let's see! But because the refrigerator is not empty, we put this bottle of water. First shot with Russian backshot. Let's see. So here we are the back shots. Penetrate here and penetrate here and here. And here it is the hole. If you take cover behind the door of your refrigerator and someone shoots you with back shots, you are dead, even if there is water here. But now let's see what will happen if you take cover behind all of your refrigerator and someone shoots you with back shots. What will happen? So now let's see if you take cover behind all of your refrigerator, yes, and there is water here and someone shoots you with a back shot. Let's see. So here we are with that we shot. Here it penetrates, but loses all of his energy. Only one take out from here, and look, it stopped here, but it not penetrated at all. With the back shots and the waters here, you are safe, a little wounded, but you are safe behind all of the refrigerator. But now, let's shoot with a slug. What will happen? We will see. Oh. Here it is the slug hole. It penetrates here, but stop to the waters. Look. Look. It's amazing. And it penetrates only 3 bottles of water. Here it is, the slug of my Сайга 410. With the slug at 3 meters and 3 bottles of water, stop the slug before take out from the other side of the refrigerator. So you are 100% alive. 100% alive, it's amazing. But now we will shoot and up here with frozen water and slug. Now let's see what will happen. We will put 2 frozen waters up here and shoot with a slug. Let's see. So guys, here it is the hole from the slug. Penetrate here. Penetrate here. Penetrate this bottle here. And here it is the hole, but it stopped here. It's not penetrated. Amazing, the frozen water saved your life. If you shoot with back shots and you're taking cover behind all your refrigerator and there is water, you are safe. Even with the slang, you are safe. And with frozen water, you are safe. But what will happen if you shoot with a 12 gauge slug? Let's see. Oh my God, this was amazing. This is the hole from the 12 gauge slug. Penetrate here. It chopped the bottle to the middle. Take this and take out from here. If someone go to your home and you see that he's carrying a 12 gauge shotgun, don't take cover behind the refrigerator. Run. I don't know what to do, but not behind the refrigerator. So, the conclusion for this video is very simple. Just have a lot of bottle of waters to your refrigerator. You can send me your ideas to my Facebook page. And if you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.